away. You kept falling in love, and then one day, when you fell towards me. When you crashed in the clouds, you found me. Oh, please don't go. I want you so.
Alright, today is Sunday, May 18. And yeah, and we're very bored. We got nothing to do, so we decided, me, Zach, Apo, and Leroy over there.
Hey, right here.
Yeah, this guy, he's over there. He said his ass is sore, so he can't stay a little longer. It's like a pipe got stuck up on his ass. And yeah, see he's over there. So he's ditching. Laters. So yeah, it's only me, Apo, and Leroy.